Jono, news flash. This a real news flash. Prince Swanny get arrested April 7th when him try enter the Domonica. And the police them in Domonica hold him at the airport and send him back to Trinidad. When Prince Swanny arrived at Trinidad, the police them arrest him and lock him up. The gang unit in Trinidad had went to the High Court to request Prince Swanny phone and social media information so they can check his information because they're investigating him for gangs. He refused to turn over his phone and his social media information, and a warrant was put out on him. Now, to me, this is very shocking to blow out, and me I wonder now if him really kill Rebel 6 to blood clot, because I thought Prince Swanny was above the mix-up and the blender, but apparently the government them been watching him and information has been out there about him. So out of all of the gang member them and out of all of the musician them, the gang unit and the government decided to go after Prince Swanny. Now this is a big statement the government is sending. Let me recap this. Breaking news. Prince Swanny, April 7, 2023, get arrested at Domonica Airport and was deported back to Trinidad, and the Trinidad gang unit arrested him. He's currently in jail. He tried to get bail and the High Court judge refused to give him bail. He's going back to court in the next couple of days in April because he has to answer to the judge's order to turn over his phone and social media information because they're investigating him for gangs, gang role and gang information and gang partnership and gang. He's a gang member. Now this is very revealing. I am gonna stay on top of this, but this is a breaking news. Remember, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But Prince Swanny, yo, shame on you. Me I wonder if you kill Rebel 6, yo.